Hello everyone, I'm Srinivas Murthy and you are watching Invest Expert India, a YouTube channel for maximizing returns on your investments. In this series, I'll be talking about some of the investment oriented life insurance policies of Kotak Life Insurance Company. Today, we will understand a policy by name Kotak Premier Life. This is a policy for everyone who is between 3 and 55 years of age. This policy will cover your life till the age of 99 years. If everything is all right and you are alive till 99 years, you will see a good amount of money at that time. Unfortunately, if you are not, your family members will have a secure financial protection with a good amount of money. In this policy, there are two bonus options available. One is called cash option. The other one is called paid up additions. Under cash option benefit, bonus accrued during the premium payment term is payable as a lump sum at the end of the premium paying term. For example, if you are paying premium, let us say for 12 years, at the end of 12 years, whatever bonus or profit is accumulated for the last 12 years will be paid to you as a lump sum. After 12 years, cash bonus will be paid till the end of the policy term or death or surrender, whichever is earlier. And on the other side, under paid up additions option, bonus payouts are used to purchase paid up additions. That means the bonus will buy some paid up additions and you will get bonus again on those amounts. Policyholders can encash the accrued paid up additions as and when required by taking cash value of the accrued paid up additions. Under cash option, you will get after 12 years one lump sum amount, and after that every year you will keep getting. But under paid up additions, you can take out some money as and when you want after the premium payment period is over. And when you take the cash value of the paid up additions, there will be some amount left in the paid up additions. That will again continue to participate in future profits and will earn bonuses for you. This encashment will be available only from the expiry of premium payment term, as I have already informed you. And it is available till the end of the policy term. You can use this as a regular income policy because you can withdraw up to a maximum of 6 times in a policy year and with a minimum encashment amount of 10,000 rupees per withdrawal. And the policyholder can change the option selected at inception. That is, if you have selected the cash option, you can change to the paid up option, or from paid up option to cash option once during the premium payment term. And you have to do it before 3 months of the premium payment ending period. Before 3 months of the premium payment ending period, you have to give a notice and you can change the option. You can avail tax benefits under Section 80C and 1010D of Income Tax Act 1961 in all the 3 stages. That is, at the time of investing and during the growth phase, and also when you are going to withdraw that money either by way of survival benefits, or if you want to surrender or when the maturity is due and the policy matures. At that time also, there is no tax that is levied on the amounts that you are going to get. Under this policy, another good thing is that you can avail loans up to 80% of the surrender value of the policy. The rate of interest on the loan will keep on changing from time to time. You need to check before you avail loan under this policy. Though it is available for all the ages between 3 and 55 years, this policy is ideally suitable for male and females between 35 and 45 years, those who are earning and have small children above 3 years. Our suggestion is that you can buy it in the name of your child, as the amount going towards the risk cover is minimum and the investable portion is maximum. This can help you get better returns. You can even get dual returns both as an associate and as an investor. So you will be investing lesser money for the same benefit that a customer is going to get. If you want to know more about this particular dual benefit, you can call us at 9702-702-999 and get all the information required. And for more investment options, please set up a free consultation call by clicking on the link given below in the description. You can also visit our website akshayarevenues.com for more details. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already done it, and get information on more investment opportunities from time to time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, I am Srinivas Murthy signing off. Thank you.